this episode we're going to review Ice Pack by Miracle Factory. Essentially this is a gimmick to produce playing card ice pips. I say a gimmick, it's essentially just a rubber mat and it has all the slots in it for you to produce ice pips. It also comes with some special kind of cloth so that if you wanted to produce these ice pips in the middle of your show, this kind of cloth will hold them without melting as much. That's it really, you don't get any, you get a piece of an idea of a trick on the back cover, but there's no DVD, no instructions, although if you don't know how to make ice then magic's not your game anyway. I will tell you that I have tried to make up these, and I did do, and the spades and clubs, if I come in close, you'll notice that they've got very small pip ends, and I did have a hard time getting the ice out. The ice would snap at that, very weak point. So the spades and clubs were very hit and miss. I wouldn't say they actually worked, but the hearts and diamonds were perfect. I produced perfect ice blocks of hearts and diamonds. This rubber matting, as I say, I've used it a couple of times and this seems to be holding its weight. It's not dissolving, it's not disintegrating. It will do its job. Like most of these things in these reviews, it's whether you've got a use for it. I can't be bothered carrying ice around anymore, not to produce things, and there really was, if it was just an ending of a card trick, saying you want to you force the ace of hearts on somebody and you produce an ice heart, so what? Okay. So it's a novelty factor. It's fun if you've got a group of magicians over and you want to put a novelty ice in the cups, sure, but other than that it has no real purpose. It's just it's a clever idea, but without some decent routines to go with it, I can't give it more than 60%. 60%, it has no purpose, and the spades and the clubs snap when you try to take them out. So 60% because it's half got it right and it does what it is. Right, let's move on.